English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? And boost your speaking skills quickly? Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills. Watch this video till to the end to improve your English fast. Now, we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. You can now download the PDF script and MP3 audio files of this lesson for free. Just click the link in the description box to visit our website. Download the lesson files, read the text out loud, and practice English listening and speaking anytime, anywhere. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
In a nutshell. Hi, Jack. How's your new job going?
Hi, Sophie. It's going well. I've been learning a lot.
That's great to hear. Can you sum up what you've learned so far?
Sure. In a nutshell, I've learned about the company's projects, met my new team, and got used to the software.
That sounds like a lot to take in.
It is, but I'm getting the hang of it.
I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks, Sophie. I'm excited to see what's next. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
To sum up. To give a brief summary of something. Example. To sum up, our team won the game because we worked together. In a nutshell. To describe something in a very brief way. Example. In a nutshell, the movie was about a hero saving the world. Getting the hang of it. To start to understand or become good at something. Example. After a few lessons, I'm getting the hang of playing the guitar. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud.
Hi, Jack. How's your new job going?
Did Sophie ask Jack about his new car? No, she didn't ask him about his new car. What did Sophie ask Jack about him? She asked how his new job was going. Hi, Sophie, it's going well. I've been learning a lot. Did Jack say his new job is going well? Yes, he did. He said it was going well. Has Jack been learning very little? No, he hasn't been learning very little. Has Jack been learning a lot? Yes, he has. He mentioned learning a lot.
That's great to hear. Can you sum up what you've learned so far?
What did Sophie ask Jack about what he has learned? She asked him to sum up what he had learned so far. Did Sophie want Jack to summarize what he has learned? Yes, she did. She wanted him to sum up. She wanted him to summarize what he had learned so far. Sure. In a nutshell, I've learned about the company's projects, met my new team, and got used to the software. Did Jack tell Sophie everything in detail? No, he didn't tell her every detail. How did Jack tell Sophie about what he had learned? He told her in a nutshell. Did Jack sum up what he learned in a nutshell? Yes, he did. He summed it up in a nutshell. Did Jack learn about the company's projects? Yes, he did. He learned about the company's projects. Did Jack meet his new team? Yes, he did. He mentioned meeting his new team. Did Jack get used to the software? Yes, he did. He said he got used to the software.
That sounds like a lot to take in.
It is, but I'm getting the hang of it. Is Jack getting the hang of it? Yes, he is. He mentioned getting the hang of it.
I'm sure you'll do great.
Does Sophie think Jack will do great? Yes, she does. She said she was sure he would do great. Thanks, Sophie. I'm excited to see what's next. Is Jack excited to see what's next? Yes, he is. He said he was excited to see what's next. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin.
Hi, Jack. How's your new job going? That's great to hear. Can you sum up what you've learned so far? That sounds like a lot to take in. I'm sure you'll do great.
Hi, Sophie. It's going well. I've been learning a lot. Sure. In a nutshell, I've learned about the company's projects, met my new team, and got used to the software. It is, but I'm getting the hang of it. Thanks, Sophie. I'm excited to see what's next. Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys. Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.